starting recording now. So that's recording through a mic. Oh, I'm getting tangled up wires here. And what I've done, I've plugged the camera into the USB socket there. So it's constantly charging the battery. So we'll just have a ride up the road. I'm at Alston. Right, we'll just go and have a ride around. I'm trying to think where I can go. You probably won't be able to... Now I've taken it out the casing, I'll probably make it worse because of the wind noise. But we'll see. I don't know if I've got the camera at the right angle. Might need lifting up a little bit. No, it's only a test. Yeah, someone fell in trees. So what we're gonna do is just go up here and turn left and go down the back road towards Borough Hall. We'll turn off here. What I need is a microphone adapter plug-in, because the plug-in for the microphone on the camera is not a seat connection. It's a different one, so I need to get an adapter. Oh, bloody sheep. These things are a scourge of my life, these damn things. I was going down the road the other day, couldn't see these two sheep that were actually in a hedge. They jumped out right in front of me. God knows how I stopped. Never snatch the brakes or you just bloody skid and come off. You have to brake gently. Front and back. So what I'll do is just probably just ride down to what's the church called? Is it Kirkhoff Church? Oh, I can't remember. Oh, I can smell silage. Yum. Love the smell of silage. And I love the smell of hay as well. Nice fresh meadow hay. Oh, can't beat it. This is a nice little ride down here. Got the River Tyne down there to my left, obviously, because it's got water in it. Sure, this is Kirkhoff Church down here. It's got an unusual thin spire cattle grid. Ugh. Get off this slippy stuff. So what I thought the plan is, I'm going to do more out of the way explores, that places that people don't usually go to. Everybody seems to be filming the same locations. And to be quite honest, I'm getting a bit bored doing it myself. Now we're nearly at Kirkhoff Church. You can see how thin the spire is. It's very, very thin. I always thought it looked bigger than that, but obviously not. So there you go, Kirkhoff Church. Now, I'm just wondering if we go the other way back. Oh, I don't want to go the way I've just come, so I think we'll go that way back to Alston. Have to go up a really steep hill. This road was gated. I don't know if this if it's a gate here or not. See, I don't mind sheep in fields like this, because this is what it is, it's unfenced. It's when you're going down the main road and you got walls and fences, and suddenly a sheep jumps out in front of you, well, two. You know, that could kill somebody, and I'm sure people have been killed by sheep or cattle jumping in and out in front of them. Very steep hill. It probably won't look steep on the video, but it is. Very steep. Probably says on a sign how steep it is. Does it? No. The gated road. But we'll go this way back. I love these little black roads. So much more interesting than riding around on a boring main road. Another gate. I forgot about these gates. I'll have to get off here. I'll have to unplug my power cable. There. I should have done that at the other gate. All part of the adventure. Opening gates. See, I need exercise, so I'm getting puffed out already, and I'm just getting off and on the bike. That's terrible, isn't it? God, I have to plug this back in again. Yeah, I'm terribly unfit, but the bike actually, if I can get it plugged in, the bike actually gets me out the house, and I do get a bit of exercise. Why won't this plug in? No. Go on, go in the hole. That's it. Right. Here we go. Quite a good road this. This has been re-tarmacked. Well, this bit hasn't here. The last time I did a recording, there was this awful clicky rattling noise, and I still don't know where it's coming from, because I can't hear it on my helmet. No idea where that noise is coming from. I'm trying to listen out for it now, and I can't hear it. So this is quite a long sound test. Pheasant. 2 pheasants. A lady pheasant and a husband pheasant. Oh, there's another one there. There's pheasants all over the place. There's some mines up here. How many people would come up here and film this? Not many. They go and film all the nice touristy scenery bits. Well, this is scenic. Thank you. No, I think the mine's just down here. There was 2 actually. There's one up that hill and there's one over there. I don't know if they're still going or not. Long time since I've been down here. Well, the gate's open, so it must be they must be still working it. Yeah, there's a mine there, look. Somebody's there. Then that was a mine over there. I'm not going down there, it's someone's private property. I actually live there. You don't want to upset the hillbillies, or they'll come after you. We got this big house here. You can't see it because of the walls in the way. I have to stop for a minute. I have to stop here anyway because it's a good way. My neck scarf's moved. Oh dear. Stop rolling back. Freaking Nora. That's it. Sorry for all the noise. Yeah, my neck scarf moved and a cold draft coming down my neck. Right, I'll head back to Alston. and I'll go and see if the sound's better. Police. Hate these grooves in the road. When your tyre goes into them, it makes the bike wobble. Oh, look at this nice lady cleaning up the roadside. How many people would do that? And it's not a warm day either, it's bloody freezing. I'm warm, but it's cold. Because I got decent gloves on. My nose is a bit chilly. So what we're going to do is find somewhere nice and warm and test my sound. Thank you for stopping. Any drivers who stop and look, I appreciate you. We're just going to stop here. Just going to park the bike here. I'm sure nobody will mind. It's not like the bike's going to take up tons of room. Whew. All right, that's it. Sound test done. Must be cold because I can see my breath. But I'm warm. You wouldn't believe it, but I'm actually warm, and I've got these gloves on here. So yes, I'm quite warm. Okay, catch you later. Bye.